Number 4 is ELEGOO Saturn 8K MSLA 3D printer. Hey there, LEGO enthusiasts! Let's dive into the world of 3D printing with the incredible ELEGOO Saturn 8K MSLA 3D printer, our number 4 pick for the best 3D printer for LEGO creations. This printer is a powerhouse of cutting-edge features that will take your LEGO building game to a new level. First, feast on the impressive 10-inch 8K mono LCD screen with a mind-blowing resolution of 7680 by 4320. This means you can print your LEGO models with ultra-fine detail and tight tolerances, resulting in sharper and more accurate prints. The scratch-resistant tempered glass with 9H hardness protects the screen while ensuring excellent light transmission. The Saturn 8K doesn't just stop at visuals and offers a significant build volume of 219 by 123 by 210 millimeters. This means you can print larger LEGO models or batch parts in one go, saving time and improving printing efficiency. Now, let's talk about the Matrix UV light source. With its unique double convex lens design, this printer minimizes light scattering and provides powerful soft contrast. This improves printing accuracy and reduces tolerances for your LEGO prototype's dimensions. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it.